How to transfer money from Bank of America to GCash. Let's get started. Transferring money from Bank of America to GCash is a straightforward process, but it requires a third-party service as InstaPay or Global Payments that facilitates cross-bank transactions to GCash. As InstaPay allows you to transfer funds from Bank of America to GCash using their partnered Philippine banks, here's how you can do it. First, navigate to the website of Bank of America, log on to your account providing the credentials, then go to the transfer section to other accounts or send money. Select GCash as a recipient. To do this, you will need to input your GCash mobile number with country code +63 for Philippines or select it from the list of InstaPay partner banks that support GCash. Input the amount you wish to send. Choose InstaPay as the payment method if it's available. Double check the recipient's details and the amount you are transferring. Confirm the transfer. Once you confirm, the funds should be transferred to your GCash wallet within minutes. Open the GCash app to confirm that the money has been credited to your wallet. So, this is how you can transfer money from Bank of America to GCash. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.